energy. But remember, if we're angry, it's hard for us to come up with the best way to fix a problem that we might be having with another person. So here's a story about anger. So you just need to sit quietly and give your attention up to the screen.
This book is read with permission from Diane Albert.
A Little Spot of Anger, a story about managing big emotions. Written and illustrated by Diane Albert. Hi, I'm a peaceful spot. I'm here to help you calm down an angry spot when one shows up.
What is an angry spot?
An angry spot is also known as anger. Anger is one of the many emotions we can experience every day. Other emotions are sadness and anxiety too. We all have these emotions inside us, but we feel the best when we are in our peaceful spot. Sadness, anger, anxiety. It's good to have small spots of emotions, but when they get too big, you don't feel very good. So I'm here to show you how to calm your big angry spots down to a very peaceful little size like me. Your angry spot can show up when you are feeling frustrated, afraid, or hurt. When you are calm, it is easier to manage this strong emotion. And I know of a special trick to get your angry spot to calm down. Want to see?
Yes, please.
Let me see your hand. Now imagine 4 red spots are on your fingers and 1 green spot is on your thumb. Just like this. Now repeat after me. Count the spots from 1 to 4. Tap, 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 and tap once more. Now fill your lungs with peaceful air and coat your spots with love and care. Now that you know what to do, let's take a look at some situations when your angry spot shows up. Well, this looks familiar. Remember when you tried to do something new and it didn't turn out the way you wanted it to? This can be very frustrating. Look how big the angry spot becomes.
I can't draw. So when you feel like yelling, you should do this trick instead?
Exactly. Once you begin counting, you are telling your angry spot that it's time to calm down and get smaller.
Count the spots from 1 to 4. Tap, 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 and tap once more.
Now fill your lungs with peaceful air and coat your spots with love and care. Look how the peaceful air really cools down an angry spot.
I feel so much better. Everyone has their own style of art, and I shouldn't compare myself to others. I'm still learning, and it doesn't need to be perfect.
I'm so glad I'm peaceful again. Oh dear, here is another situation where an angry spot gets too big. I know when someone takes your toy, it can make you feel afraid that you may never see it again.
That's my toy. Give it back.
Instead of stomping your feet or growling, try and calm your angry spot down. Once you are calm, you will see that she isn't trying to be mean. She's just trying to play.
Count the spots from 1 to 4. Tap, 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 and tap once more.
It's working. The angry spot is already half his size. Now fill your lungs with peaceful air and coat your spots with love and care. When you are calm, it is easier situation.
Why did you take my dinosaur? I thought we were playing Chase the Dinosaur.
Let's look at some other situations when an angry spot shows up. Like when you feel hurt because you think you have lost your favorite toy.
Where is my dinosaur?
It's in the toy bin. Your angry spot made it harder to find. Or when you try to make a masterpiece but something spills.
My painting is ruined.
Sometimes your angry spot makes it hard to see the wonderful thing you created. Once your angry spot is calm, you will see that you actually made amazing splatter art. When you are calm, it's easier to look at any situation in a positive way. Remember, you have the power to calm your angry spot down and make it into a peaceful spot.
Thanks for doing such an amazing job of listening to that story. So this is just a reminder that we can all feel angry, right? That's normal. But it doesn't work when we're trying to solve those tricky problems that we might be having. So I hope you will give the spots a try the next time that you're feeling upset or angry. It really does help so the peaceful spot can come back inside. Thanks again, and I think